Today I want to talk about Healthier Choices Management Corp, ticker HCMC. Now, if you're new to the channel, HCMC is an OTC stock. It's on the OTC market. If you're been on the channel, you know I've covered HCMC stock numerous times and pretty extensively on this channel, specifically dating back to 2021 when it had a patent infringement lawsuit going against Philip Morris, with the hope that maybe HCMC could win that patent infringement lawsuit and then do things. Their books would be obviously added, or money would be added to the books, etc., and a lot of positive maybe things could come from it, and hopefully HCMC stock price could jump 100-200%. And then obviously people that invested money before that, given how low the price is, you can get millions of shares, etc. At a certain price. You'd make a lot of money if it rose up 100-200%. As far as the Philip Morris case goes, I'm not really sure where we are. We're kind of in a standstill in regards to that. And again, I just wanted to go over a few things in regards to HCMC. As I know a lot of you guys do appreciate the HCMC video, so that is exactly what I'm looking to do here. But yeah, let's just get right into this. So HCMC, you can see it released a press release September 12th. I'm a little bit late to covering this here, but we had talked about this in I want to say the previous video. If we go to the PR for HCMC really quickly, so they did originally announce kind of this spinoff back here in April, all the way back here in April. And then they announced a postponement, as you can see here. And now again, they have recently announced, last week, they announced a public filing of registration statement for proposed IPO and its spinoff by Healthier Choices Management Corp. So you can see here, HCMC announced the public filing for its Form S-1 with the US SEC for the initial public offering, otherwise known as an IPO, of its Class A common stock, and in connection with the spinoff of its wellness segment subsidiaries. As previously announced, HCMC intends to spin off its wellness-based subsidiaries, namely its 14 natural and organic health food stores, wellness center, and online entity, thevitaminstore.com. The HCWC, which again they're going to change it to Healthy Choice Wellness Corp, intends to spin off of its wellness-based subsidiaries, namely its 14 natural and, like I said, I repeated myself. The HCWC common stock will be distributed through a dividend to owners of record of HCMC on a date to be determined. The dividend will be a pro rata based on the ownership of HCMC on said record. With certain conditions, HCMC shareholders will not forfeit any of their HCMC common stock. The IPO is for 400,000 shares of Class A common stock to be issued by HCWC. The underwriters will also be granted a 30-day option to purchase up to an additional 60,000 shares at the IPO price, less underwriting discounts and commissions. HCMC anticipates that it will distribute approximately 1.8 million shares of HCWC Class A common stock and 7.5 million shares of HCWC Class B common stock in the spinoff. Jeffrey Holman, CEO of HCMC, who, if you've watched any HCMC video, you're probably well familiar with him. We are pleased to have publicly filed the HCWC S1 and will strive to complete the HCWC initial public offering and the spinoff in the fourth quarter of this year. He's also quoted in saying, we'll be announcing a new record date for ownership of HCMC in order to qualify for the receipt of the dividend stock of the spinoff. So I guess they're going to announce a new date as far as like when you need to have holding HCMC stock to get the dividend of the HCWC stock. So again, as far as HCMC goes, obviously my interest in it was sparked from the patent infringement lawsuit with Philip Morris. That is still somewhat in a standstill. Probably gonna dedicate like a new video specifically cut to kind of what's going on with that very soon, just so we can get more news or just awareness about what's specifically actually going on with that. But let me know in the comments below. Drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.